Okay, my people. This is what it looks like. A rainy morning in Jamaica.
Driving from
Port Antonio
to now we in Hope Bay.
Yeah,
We're heading to Kingston, but it's just a rainy morning, so we're taking it easy. But
yeah,
as you can see, hardly anybody is on the road, but it's still beautiful, you know, green and luscious.
Yeah.
Still Jamaica, green and luscious, even on a rainy day.
Even on a rainy day.
We're in Hope Bay, Portland. So Samantha vibes. What is this? A vlog? A video?
It's just a vlog, a little vlog, you know, showing everyone what it looks like, you know.
And a really damn day.
NJA.
And a damn day.
And a damn day.
But still beautiful Sunday morning.
Yes. You know, everything is green and so beautiful.
Look up on the mountain up there how dark it is. You know the rain is falling up there. See how dark it is?
Yes. It's a rainy day.
So I guess we'll sign off for now, and then when you enter the junction or somewhere, you give them another little snap of what's taking place.
Of what's going on.
Meats and more.
Okay, people, we are entering Buff Bay.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Buff Bay.
One thing you got to know about Portland, you know, there's a lot of bays.
you have Nata Bay, Buff Bay,
No, not a bays in
Oak
St. Mary.
Bay.
Not a bays in St.
No,
Mary.
we're just talking about the bays.
Yeah, but I said Portland. So you said
Oh
not a
no.
bay.
Okay, well, I'm just saying the bays. You have Buff Bay, Oak Bay, and Nata Bay,
Orange Bay.
Orange Bay, St. Margaret's Bay.
Yeah. And you also have Long Bay.
Long Bay.
That's past Boston going out back to St. Thomas.
It's a lot of bays.
There's a lot of bays in Portland. And all the bays are different.
Yeah, this is the Buff Bay Police Station.
And Buff Bay is just a little town, people, that it's just a stretch. You know, it's not a built up type of town, it's just a stretch. So everything is just on a straightaway. You go through it and that's it. But I love it because these little towns in Jamaica are rustic and they continue to be rustic. So I like it. It maintain that old feel, that you know, yesterday feel, which is just good.
Oh, they're doing construction on this building here.
See people, we're in Buff Bay town.
And we're out of
and we're
Buff
out
Bay.
of Buff Bay town. So see you soon. Okay?
So yes, my people, this is Castleton. We reach in Castleton
Gardens.
Castleton Garden. Okay.
Over there is a botanical garden. That's why this is Castleton St. Mary, but it's called Castleton Garden because there's a botanical garden here.
Yeah, right.
Very beautiful, both sides. You know, so this is another place that you could actually come, you know, do a little picnic, you know what I mean, and just enjoy the beautiful nature.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And by the way, I think this is in St. Andrew. I think we enter St. Andrew. Castleton is actually in St. Andrew, not in St. Mary. This is like the border of St. Andrew and St. Mary, if I'm not mistaken. If somebody know, please correct me. The river is down there, and the botanical garden is down there. So this is somewhere you could come with your family, your husband, your wife, your kids, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. You know what I mean? And just chill out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little damp this morning, but you would want to do that on a nice sunny day, you know what I mean? When the river is flowing, yeah. Down there it's called the Wagwater River. Yeah. And when the water is not low, it's gorgeous. Take it from me. Me and my wife is yet to go there together, but because I grew up in Stony Hill, I know about it. You know, I used to come here a lot. So, you know, this is gonna be where Stony Hill St. Andrew meets Portland, Port Antonio when me and my wife go there. You know what I mean? Yes. So we're out. Still going through the junction.
Yes. This is junction. We are coming through junction. Or we are going through junction now.
Going through the junction, yeah. In St. Mary.
Yeah.
Heading towards Castleton Garden. Nowhere near there yet, but we just started.
Yeah, we just start the junction.
But narrow, treacherous, not too pleasant road.
Yeah, it's not easy.
But
we just passed an accident.
Yeah, but humorous at the same time. And just a sight to see, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's all of that and above.
You just have to be careful on this road.
Yeah. Time now, wait for your aunt. For your aunt or your brother.
Yeah.
For the moves.
I'm gonna say a rainy morning in Zamunda. A rainy morning in Jamaica. Okay, people. We are in Stony Hill.
This is where I grew up, Stony Hill.
This is where
famous Stony
grew
Hill.
up.
Yep.
Is running ground,
Yep.
playing ground.
Yep, Stony Hill. As again, we enter and we're out. That's it.
Oh my gosh.
See you in Constant Spring, people. See you in Constant Spring. Constant Spring. So you know we came down off the hill from Stony Hill. Now we're in Constant Spring. Yep.
Yep. And the sun is out.
And the sun is out, boy. You know you're in Kingston. So remember previously Manor Park Plaza. Remember previously people were in Portland. It was damp and rainy. But now we enter Kingston.
And it's bright and sunny.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yes, Constant Spring. And again, we're in and we're out. It's more so expensive. I'm going to buy it for somebody. And now, they have them one for flat. So, they have make money.
That's add person add generating capacity to the grid and then pay them fee. Yeah, but now it feel like AC, yeah. Carib cement, but Trinidad cement.
Trinidad company operates under the same
Carib cement. Can go to one then.
Some more than one verse?
Yeah.
And we're in Motorola.
So there's people live in Portland. Old standing houses where them say hurricane will come. We're not in Portland. We're going to get over here. Our neighbor string cut over here.
dead.
Nah, dead serious.
They're not moving.
Moving?
You should take them there. We should go down to the back road.
What's that? Let's see if I have to.
You see? Sam, say hi. So yes, people, we're in Port Royal.